Naga People's Organization NPO Senapati has extended support on the stance taken by United Naga Council UNC for the implementation of the National Register of Citizens NRC before the conduct of the census with 1951 as the base year. In a press note, Naga People's Organization maintained that it is deeply concerned about unchecked and undocumented migration from neighboring countries, which has potentially altered the demographic composition of Manipur. NPO also maintained that in a geographically very small state like Manipur, such demographic changes has contributed to the social tensions and further aggravate ethnic conflicts. Further, Naga People's Organization Senapati urged the Government of India and the Government of Manipur to seriously consider the legitimate concerns raised by the indigenous communities of Manipur and to undertake a credible NRC exercise to determine citizenship status and distinguish between legitimate citizens and illegal migrants.